What is a home? It's built for the family in mind to provide warmth and comfort all year round, but how about one with a little sense of adventure? I'm pleased to offer for the first time to the market 14 Roberts Road in LAWSON, providing all the creature comforts one would expect in a modern day home, but also on the foot of the Blue Mountains. The weekends are certainly taken care of with the mountains just at the back doorstep. Take a hike through the bushlands, relaxing by the waterfalls, or just becoming one with nature. And as peaceful as it is, you're never far from low communities that one would expect. Not only are the kids going to enjoy this lovely home, but the school just being at the back there is going to be just a bush walk away. How cool is that in true Australian style? This home's been seamlessly designed from front to back to accommodate family living and entertaining inside or out. And it really does capture the bush outlook from every angle. A wonderful modern home in an iconic location. That's the Australian lifestyle you want for your children. I'm Trevor Holmes, as always, bringing you the best homes, and I look forward to seeing you at this week's inspection.